Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys keyboard hanging problem. Friends, you want to solve guys your phone keyboard hanging problems. So how can you solve? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we solve keyboard hanging problem. Open your phone setting guys and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone app management setting guys, tap here. Friends, click on guys your app list. So when we will search here guys gboard, and friends you can find from here guys your gboard guys. So we will click on guys the gboard and guys tap here. Friends, click on guys this storage and usage guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your keyboard data guys, tap here and okay. Friends, you can use guys your keyboard without any hanging problem guys. Again guys, you have guys any hanging problem in your keyboard, so don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.